about the magnificent palace of Vadodara. Yes, it is the Lakshmi Vilas Palace. Lakshmi Vilas Palace is located only 10 kilometers away from our home at the heart of the city Vadodara. It was constructed by Maharaja Sayajirao Gaikwad III, who was the king of Vadodara in the year 1890. I like the calm and serene atmosphere of the surrounding of the palace. Do you know, this palace is situated amid scenic greenery which spreads over 500 acres of the land. One more important thing is that the palace has been able to obtain the reputation of the largest dwelling of India, and still now this royal legacy houses heirloom of the royal family. Let me take you through the monumental architecture and one of the popular tourist destinations of Gujarat. I and my family like to explore historical monuments as it improves our knowledge as well as tells us a new story and new lesson for life. The palace is built with striking Indo-Saracenic style of architecture and is 4 times larger than the size of Buckingham Palace. Besides having its magnificent structure, it was built with modern amenities such as elevators. Major Charles Mint was the main architect of the Grand Palace during its initial stage. Later, it was completed by R.F. Chisholm. This architecture and the impressive interiors of the palace has been able to grab attention of the world. Large numbers of domestic and international tourists throng in the palace throughout the year. The palace is open for the tourists all the times throughout the year except on Mondays. There is a fee of rupees 150 for seeing the palace and the museum. There are skilled guides who narrate clearly about the place and the royal family in both Hindi and English languages. Let's meet the tourist guide who gave us some important information about the palace.
ये पूरा बड़ौदा सिटी महाराजा सयाजीराव गायकवाड़ थर्ड एडॉप्टेड किंग उन्होंने डेवलप की. आप आए हो बैक साइड, ये फ्रंट साइड. ये पैलेस का स्टार्टिंग है 1878, कंप्लीटेड 1890. 12 साल लगे और उस टाइम इसका खर्चा 1,25,00,000 पूरे वर्ल्ड में सबसे ज्यादा खर्चा था. ये पैलेस 4 धर्म के आइडिया में बना है. 4 कॉन्सेप्ट, हिंदू, सिख, क्रिश्चियन और मुस्लिम. ये 500 एकड़ की प्रॉपर्टी प्राइवेट है, नो गवर्नमेंट. महाराजा साहब ऊपर रहते हैं और वो पॉन्ड है, वो पॉन्ड में पूरा पैलेस का रिफ्लेक्शन दिखाई देता था. भी वहाँ वेडिंग फंक्शन होते हैं.
थैंक यू.
One of the remarkable sights of the palace is the Darbar Hall. This hall was mainly used by the royal family for entertainment purpose. Musical programs were organized here for the amusement of the royal family. Even now, the tradition of musical events have been continued as from time to time, classical music concerts are performed here by adept musicians. This hall is surrounded by splendid Italian-style courtyard of water fountains. The interior of Darbar Hall is designed with a perfect blend of the Western and Eastern architecture. Mosaic decorations of the wall, Italian mosaic of the floor, stained glass works of the doors and windows which are brought from Belgium, and chandeliers from Venice of the Darbar Hall displays the uniqueness of the structure. Wooden doll houses of the palace and the attractive wooden balconies situated at the upper level of the hall are example of adept craftsmanship. The wooden balconies were weaving point for the ladies of the royal families. They enjoyed many performances of the hall from the balconies. famous British painters like Turner and Constable's magnificent original paintings are also displayed in the hall. The Maharaja Fateh Singh Museum is located inside the palace and was originally used for education of the children of the royal family. However, it was later renovated and converted to museum. The museum preserves many rare artwork and artifacts belonging to the royal family. Also, there are spectacular collections of 19th and 20th centuries. Paintings by European famous artists like Raphael, Titian and Murillo. The present Maharaja of Lakshmi Vilas Palace is Samarjit Singh Gaikwad, the 17th Maharaja of Gaikwad dynasty. After the death of the earlier Maharaja Ranjit Singh Gaikwad, his 45 years old son Samarjit Singh Gaikwad was coronated as Maharaja of the palace. The coronation ceremony was held on 22nd June 2012. We spent some quality time with our family members whenever they came to Vadodara from native place. Both my grandparents had visited the palace and they were overjoyed to see the architecture and art crafts exhibited inside the museum. I was so happy with my grandparents. Those were the beautiful days of my childhood. Treasured memories live and grow more precious with time. With my loving and caring grandmother. Our visit to the palace with Sangpakta and Burma. We visited the palace when Mausami Mahi came to Gujarat in 2014. My father with his foreign colleague. Our visit to the palace with Babi Behi and Peha. My parents in front of the palace. My loving and caring Anupama Burma with my mum. Our latest visit to the palace with Burma and Botta. I hope you liked the video and got plenty of information about the place. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. I'll come back with more videos. Till then, goodbye.